Hey guys, Raz here, and today we'll be looking at functions. So, what is a function? Let's have a look. Let's explain it as easily as possible. So, a function, if we say y equals 3x plus 1, and we were to draw it on the xy axis, then this y is a function of x. That is because y has been explicitly stated in terms of x. So if we had y equals x squared plus 1, this time, let's do that in yellow. This time it would look something like this. Again, y has been explicitly said in terms of x. So we say y is a function of x. So because of that, we can interchange this notation. Instead of writing y, we write fx. So it's an equivalent statement to say fx is equal to 3x plus 1, or fx is equal to x squared plus 1. They both mean exactly the same thing. We're saying that y is a function of x, y is equal to 3x plus 1, so fx is equal to 3x plus 1. Be like calling me Raz or Krishna. Yeah, it all means the same thing. So let's apply this because that will be a little bit abstract. Um, so using function notation, so y say fx equals 3x plus 1 when we could just say y equals 3x plus 1. So the first benefit is if we say find y when x is equal to 3. So that would be 3 times 3 plus 1, which would be 9 plus 1, which is 10. Therefore, y equals 10 when x equals 3. So what we're saying is it's a function notation. It just makes notation a bit easier. So instead of writing all of that yap, we would just put, if I wanted you to find y when x is 3, I would just say evaluate or find f of 3 and then write it like that. Done. That's a simple, that is it. That is essentially the main purpose of one of the main purposes of the notation, or the first main purpose. So if we had y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1, if I wanted to find y when x equals 2, we could just say evaluate f of 2 for the function fx equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. So then f of 2 equals 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 1, 4 plus 4 plus 1, which is 9. So that is the first main use of it, especially at this level, GCSE or IGCSE. So these are some exam questions. So let's have a look at this one first. Put those over there. So this time we are given this and we're asked to find that. So f of minus 2. Oh, actually, pause the video and give this a go. Welcome back. So f of minus 2 equals 2 times minus 2. So wherever we see x, we replace it with a minus 2. which I don't think I was that clear about a minute ago. So we replace whatever the x is, we replace with the number there. So we've got 2 times minus 2 all over 3 times minus 2 plus 5. And then we can either just work it, punch it in the calculator, or just do it as I'm doing it now. Minus 6 plus 5. So minus 4 over minus 1, which is 4. So hopefully you got that. Let's give the next one a go. So this time we have that f of x equals 1 over x squared plus 1, and we want to find f of a half. So f of a half equals 1 over a half squared plus 1. So if you just bang that in your calculator, you're going to get the answer straight away. I don't have a calculator. I'm on a different computer today, so I don't have the online calculator to hand, so I'll just do it myself. So a half squared is a quarter, and a quarter plus 1 is 1 and a quarter. Yeah, so 5 over 4. And the reciprocal of 5 over 4 is 4 over 5. So the answer to that is 4/5. Hopefully you got that. And then let's look at this last one. Find the value of f of 11. Yeah, given fx equals 2x over x minus 1. So f11 equals 2 times 11 over 11 minus 1, which equals 22 over 10, so 2.2. So that was an introduction to function notation. I believe in the next video we'll be doing composite functions. So see you again soon.